Things got awkward when Adam22 asked Rollin 40's Crip rapper X4 this question.
I saw this video that alleged that it was you involved in this crazy ass shootout. What was that situation? Maybe it might not have been you. I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah, I don't think it was me.
Okay. But that wasn't related to any of the cases that you caught? Well played. Okay. So... It's kind of hard to pick another question after that.
Adam's starting to give me DJ Vlad vibes. What, y'all turning fed now? Not gonna lie, after seeing what just happened, he probably the smartest man in rap history. Cause who the F answer fed-ass questions like that, bruh? That was well played. Adam trying to get bruh. Nah, Adam should know better. I usually rock with his interviews, but that wasn't cool. Yeah, Adam is too caught up in black culture. Ain't nobody tired of dude yet? I bet he be calling us the N-word at home with Lena. Buddy is a glorified informant at this point. Shoot, I thought my Wi-Fi was tripping. Adam trying to incriminate artists now? Shake my head. Buddy tried to get him to snitch. Why Adam trying to get him locked up? That's bogus. Adam22 is the new Vlad TV.